let's talk about your crown. It's pointing at the sun while you wanna lay it down. Oh, you turn heads every time you walk around. Fine too, not to love when you take them down. You spend about an hour just so you can detain. Girl, I see the struggle, got your head at every angle. I'm starting out on old smushed hair. I'm doing a high puff, so it really doesn't matter what state your hair is in when you do a high puff. Oh, y'all know I love my scalp massager. I do this probably about 2 or 3 times a day. The only thing I'll be using is this Taliah Wajiid Curly Curl Cream Creamy Hair Lotion and my pick. As you can see, I'm picking it out to give it way more volume from the roots to the tips. First impression, you OPN, we should be closer than friends. I just pick it out till I really get the length that I like. I don't like a shrunken puff. I like for it to have lots of volume, so I just go through it and mainly pick out the ends after the roots are stretched so I can get that volume. We should be closer than friends. If you OPN, engaging is on my agenda. Request my cherry. I want some hair hanging on the side, so I'm just parting it and getting it out of the way for now. We'll come back to it and make it curly, but for now, I'll go ahead and start working on the puff. I put just a tiny bit of edge control on my hair, not a lot. I'm not really going for a slick look here, just something so my hair is neat and brushed back and there aren't any flyaways. So I'm going to take a black knee-high, yes, a black knee-high, and go ahead and put it around the back of my hair, tie it in the front. Make sure that those sideburns aren't caught up in that because we're going to come back to those later. Make sure we don't have any hair that's getting caught up at the top. Tighten it. When you tighten it, pull it up in the back. Tighten it some more. Get those sideburns out. Tighten it some more until you get the shape, the position, and the height that you like. That's pretty good for me. So I'm just double checking, making sure no hair is caught up in the knee high. Pull those babies back down. Then you're going to take the knee high and pull it around the back. Twist it and knot it there. And then take the 2 ends and tuck them in the side. So now we're going to work on the sideburns. They were looking kind of skimpy, so I added some more hair to them. Take some water and saturate it with water. We'll drizzle it just a little bit. It doesn't really need a lot. And I've got my edge booster by the Style Factor. I'm going to be using to finger coil my hair. Y'all, this stuff is amazing. Like, I did a low sleek ponytail. Ooh, my hair never came out so sleek. I really never thought I would be able to do that on thick hair like this. But anyway, we're just going to take it and finger coil it. Work on the next side. That was looking kind of skimpy too. So add some more hair. Yeah, that's looking good. Saturate it with water and add the gel. Not really a lot of gel. Then go ahead and finger coil it. Just like we did the other side. We should be closer than friends. If you OPN and take the high road and hop in. Oh, the scarf is dirty. Just gonna go ahead and put a scarf around it just to smoothen out those flyaways. Y'all know I want more volume, so I'm gonna go ahead and pick it out some more. This helps you shape your hair too. A lot of the time, the back of my hair is a lot kinkier than the front of my hair, so I'll have to pick out the back to stretch it out, and then I'll have to make the front a lot more textured just so it all matches. But I'm just picking out here mainly for the volume. These are a couple of photos that I took later on in the day at work just so y'all can see what it's looking like. But thank you for watching. Tune in to the next video. Bye.